Hello Extraordinaires, this is how you set up a space for Facebook Live. So I'm pulling the hair back and I have on my bananas shirt because it's about to get bananas. And this is my spot that I will be using to redesign for my live background. So it's right next to the porch, so a lot of light is coming in and that is perfect. You want to be in front of a window for your videos because the lighting is perfect. This is my bulletin board paper. I found this in Michael's. That's going to be used for my backdrop, and it's non-adhesive. I just attached this to the wall with thumbtacks, and it's large. It was $9 and I was like, it better be enough. So this is before and this is after. It looks so great. Oh my god. Oh, my little flowers, some of these were falling off, so I'm just reattaching them. I've put my props out and everything is starting to look amazing. Look at that wallpaper, you guys. Oh, I've got to bring back my gold vase, of course. Now, this mirror was on the wall before and I don't have anywhere else to put it in my house, so I'm gonna put it right back where it was. I don't think it will hurt anything for the backdrop. And that's now that's my lighting, my ring light for additional lighting support. Now these are my props. This little vase I found in TJ Maxx on sale for $6, and this pink one, so delicate, I love this shade of pink, I found in Ross for $7. And this is my family. And up here we have a wall picture that I also found in Ross for $7. Okay, I think the coordination is great. So far, so good. That's my mirror. And the sleekness on this wall, it just feels so good. I use thumbtacks and tape, clear tape. So the mirror is to check on your hair and to make sure everything is intact when you're doing your videos. So I keep it close by. And what I'm showing you now is the finished product. Now sometimes I'm trying to find different perspectives now, because I can move maybe something from here as needs be. What do you think? Yeah, let's try moving some things around. So I move my pink and I just have picture frame and my green plant, then put back the pink and yeah. So we're just trying to find different perspectives that will also work. I think I did great. Now it's your time, Extraordinaires. Fix your spot, send me your pictures. You can do it. You are extraordinary. Alright guys, see you in the next video.